Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the router broadcasts a 5 GHz band and your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS so it supports modern network channels. Once done, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi to see available SSIDs. If you don't see a 5 GHz name, you'll change router settings next. Grab a laptop or the router's admin app, log into the router with its IP and credentials, and locate wireless settings so you can enable or separate the 5 GHz network. You now configure the router. Enable the 5 GHz radio and assign a clear, distinct SSID so the iPhone can choose it explicitly. For security, use WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong password. Choose a channel from recommended ranges to avoid interference and set channel width, 80 MHz for speed, 40 or 20 for stability. After saving, reboot the router. Wait a minute or two for the network to reappear. Then return to your iPhone to scan and join the newly created 5 GHz SSID. Finish by selecting the 5 GHz SSID on your iPhone and entering the password. Check the network details to confirm it connected on 802.11 AC or the expected standard. If it fails, forget the network and reconnect, toggle Wi-Fi, or reboot your phone. These quick steps clear caches and often resolve handshake problems. If issues persist, make sure band steering isn't forcing 4 GHz, reduce distance or interference, and update router firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: move closer to the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.